So today is Thursday, July 27th, and healthcare for tens of millions of Americans hangs in the balance. Are you confused about what's going on in the United States Senate? Well, it probably will all unfold tonight. So here's the recap on where we are. 2 days ago, Tuesday afternoon, the bare minimum number of senators voted to start the process to pass a bill, any bill, on health care. The vote was so tight, 50-50, that Vice President Pence had to come over to the Senate to break a tie to get it going. Now, once it got going, once we were in the process, senators from either party could offer amendments to the bill. And that's what started. On Tuesday night, Mitch McConnell offered a version of the Better Care proposal, which would have ripped away health care from tens of millions of Americans. We voted it down. Yes. And then on Wednesday afternoon, yesterday, Rand Paul had a bill on the floor, an amendment that was basically a repeal and run. In other words, repeal the health care that many people have and don't give them any replacement at all. It also would have ripped away health care from tens of millions of Americans. We voted that down. Yes. So, what happens next? Well, the rules say we're only allowed to discuss the bill for 20 hours once we vote to start the debate. And remember, that's what we did last Tuesday. We got it started. And now that time is almost up. And tonight, Mitch McConnell is going to use this rigged process to try to ram through his mystery bill, a bill that didn't go through the normal debate and committee process. So here's what's likely to happen tonight. When the 20-hour clock runs down, amendment votes are going to start coming fast and furious, one after another. Senators will have no time to discuss them, really no time even to read them before vote, vote, vote. In the Senate, we call this sham process vote-a-rama. It is a terrible process that confuses everybody. And that's why yesterday, Democrats announced we're not offering any more amendments until we see the Republican bill that they're working on behind closed doors. At some point, nobody knows when, McConnell will reveal his final health care bill on the Senate floor. And we'll get a look at it, and then we'll start voting. Nobody at this point knows what's in it. But the rumors suggest that, like every health care plan the Republicans have put forward, it will rip away health care for millions of people and drive up costs for millions more. Now, if 50 Republicans are willing to vote to pass something that they have never seen, never read, never analyzed, pass it in the middle of the night, then there's nothing Democrats can do to stop millions of Americans from losing their health insurance. So, this is it. Tonight is the night. We need just one more Republican to stand up and do the right thing, to vote no. And that's why we need you. We need you to get out there and make your voices heard. You are our only hope of stopping this unbelievably irresponsible plan of Mitch McConnell's from actually working. It is up to you to help us preserve health care for millions of Americans. Please be in this fight.